Hello, my dear student. Welcome back to ICT class. Hope you all are doing good in this pandemic. Stay safe and stay healthy. Now, in this today's class, I'll be discussing on what is operating system. So, operating system is a set of programs that controls the computer, and it is a software program that enables the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer software. So, without an computer operating system, a computer and software program will become an useless, and it provides a pleasant and effective interface between the user and the hardware. An operating system, it is the most important software that runs on computer. So if a computer has to run softly and smoothly, there should be an operating system. Then it manages the computer's memory and process. This operating system, it completely manages the computer's memory and process as well as all of its software and hardware. So all the software and hardware is controlled by the operating system only. When the computers were first introduced, the user interfaced with them using a command line interfaces which required commands. So today almost every computer is using a graphical user interface, which we call it as a GU operating system, that is much easier to use and operate, and it makes the computer more convenient to use. So if operating system is there, then it will help each and every individual and to use it more conveniently. So let us look towards what are the examples of the computer operating system. Here I have taken Microsoft Windows 7. Means Microsoft Windows 7, it is an PC and IBM compatible operating system. And Microsoft Windows is the most common and used operating system, we can say. So most of the people are very much comfortable with the Microsoft Windows 7 and Apple Mac operating system, which is the only computer operating system in Mac in this Apple, and Ubuntu Linux. It is a popular variant of Linux used in PC personal computers and IBM compatible computers and Google Android. It is an operating system using with Android compatible phones, and iOS, that is operating system with an Apple iPhone. So these are the few examples that I have taken here. Let us look towards, in order to understand what is operating system, we have to look towards the history of the operating systems. So what is the history of the operating system? What were computers like before operating systems were invented? So operating systems ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು? Here I have taken the picture over here. So before operating system, if you wanted to change anything, what the computer was doing, you have to change how the wires were connected. So from here to here, we have seen, so n numbers of wires are connected. Nowadays, everything has become wireless. You can see the tab, you can see the laptop, everything has become wireless. But before the operating system was invented, so if you have to change one single thing, so n number of wires you need to connect. So here how the wires were connected from one angle to the other angle. So so this is how the computers were there in the before, when the operating system, before the operating system was invented. Then later instructions were given to the computers with the punch cards or magnetic tape. So ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಪೂರ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ರೂಮ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪಂಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಟೇಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರನ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೈಪ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೆಮೊರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡೋದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಮೆಮೊರಿಯಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಒಂದೇ ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರನ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೈಪ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮೆಮೊರಿ and then load another program into the memory. This is how it was. Then with the punch cards or the magnetic tape. Then to run more than one program, so first to multiple wires you need to be connected, then next there was the magnetic card. Then in order to run more than one program at a time, you need a boss. So one program kina ಜಾಸ್ತಿ program ನೀವು ರನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಂತರ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಐತೆ. Here I taken the picture over here. So you need a boss program that controls all other programs. Such a boss program is called as an operating system. So later on, this operating system was developed. Here you don't see that any wires are connected. It is behind the scene, but this system was developed later on. Then operating system, Microsoft device is a disk operating system. It was one of the first operating system for personal computers. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡೂಮ್ಡ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದೋಸ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇಡೀ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌಸ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೌಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು type lot of special computer commands. Here you can see the lot of computer commands has been given over here. ಸೊ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮೌಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ದೇ ವರ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ದರ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 1980s ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ವರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಎ ಮೌಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಮೌಸ್. So first time mouse was introduced in the year 1980, and around mouse was introduced and click on the things instead of typing commands. So rather than typing the commands, so they started using the mouse. Then through this mouse they used to click on the computer monitor, then they used to start the program. This is how in 1980s operating system was developed. Then operating system develop ಆದ ನಂತರ they started a mini computers. So that is when Digital Equipment Corporation created several operating system for its 16-bit PDP-11 machines. Then the time sharing operating systems and RSX-11 family of the real-time operating system were developed later on. That is called as a mini computers over here. Then microcomputers. So beginning in the mid 1970s, a new class of small computers came. ಸೊ ನಂತರ 1970s ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ವೇರ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್. So featuring 8-bit processors along with the rudimentary input and output interfaces and as much as RAM as practical. These systems started out as a kit-based hobbyist computers, but soon evolved into an essential business tool. So ನಂತರ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 1.0 ಬಂತು. So Windows 1.0 was released on November 20, 1985 as the first version of the Microsoft Windows line. It runs as a graphical 16-bit multitasking shell on the top as of an existing MS disk operating system installation. We can say that the Microsoft Windows 1.0, it is the very first version of Windows, and Windows 1.0 was a basic interface that used gadgets like ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.0 ಇದು 1985 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಆಯಿತು, ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸು, ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಟ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೇನ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ. And released in 1985, this system has basically functionality and introduced the first version of MS Paint, and a primitive word processor was introduced in the year 1985. Then operating system Windows 2000. ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಇದು ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 1.0 ಆದ ನಂತರ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 2.0 ಬಂತು, which was released in 1987. The next version of Windows wasn't much better than the first, while it did introduce two current staples, Excel and Word ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವಾಗ 1987 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. To users, this version came under the fire that Microsoft for mimicking the look and feel their current operating system. So the lawsuit was eventually dropped. ಯಾವಾಗ 1985 ಆದ ನಂತರ 87 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 3.0 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ, ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ it was also discontinued. It was there till 1990, and Windows 3.0 wasn't discontinued until 2001 ತನಕ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದರ ನಂತರ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 95 ಬಂತು. Then Windows 4.0 to follow up the Windows 3.0, then Windows 98, ಆಮೇಲೆ Windows 2000 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. So Windows 2000 is an operating system for use on both client and server computers. It was produced by Microsoft and released to manufacturing on December 15, 1999. So Windows 2000 was released on the December 15, 1999 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. So Windows 2000 made everyone lives very easier. We can say that over here. by increasing the number of plugs and play devices compatible with the operating system. So here we have seen in the Windows 2000, so much more development has taken place in the operating system. And Windows Millennial Edition, that is ME, was also released, offering the system recovery tool to help return a crashed computer to its last known operating systems. That was introduced in the Windows 2000. Then operating system Windows XP. So Windows XP is a personal computer operating system produced by the Microsoft. Again, it was produced by the Microsoft only, and this was released to manufacturing on August 24, 2001. So this Windows XP now this system was designed for ease and stability, and it was we have seen that it was released on August 24, 2001, and it's offering a plenty of ease and functionality for laptop and desktop users. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇದು ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಡ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ offers helps through a compressed help center, and it gave user the ability to consume a number of different types of medias. So here we have seen the number of lot of options that we have seen here. So this Windows XP has helped a lot. Then next comes the version Windows Vista. So it is an this is an operating system again by an Microsoft. This one for use on personal computers, including home and business desktop, laptops, tablet PCs, personal computers PCs, is personal computers, and media center PCs. Development was completed on 8th November 2006. Windows Vista. So it's widely considered a flop in technology circles, Windows Vista. So Windows Vista introduced ಇದನ್ನ download ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರು they went back to the Windows 7 only for the this upgrade. Even the Windows Vista has an upgradation. So people were more comfortable with the Windows 2000 and Windows XP, we can say that. Because it has considered as a flop in the technology circle. Windows Vista was released in 2006. It had a high system requirement and suffered issues with the performance and security. There was not much security in this Windows Vista, and the operating system also tended to drain laptops batteries. So laptop batteries antu ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು batteries it used to drain a lot, and the version lasted only for 3 years, during which some users downgraded back to XP. We have seen that the XP, because XP the system was designed for ease and stability, and it offered plenty of ease and functionality for laptop and desktop users. It was more comfortable compared to the Vista, we can say that over here. And it gave this Windows XP gave the stability to consume a number of different types of media at a time. But whereas Windows Vista has become a flop in the technology circle in the year 2006, which was invented, and many went back to they again users downgraded back to XP to avoid the pitfalls of the Vista. Then operating system Windows 7. It is a personal computer operating system developed by Microsoft. Again, Windows 7 was released on to the manufacturing on 22nd July 2007. So for this current release of Windows, Microsoft learned its mistakes with the Vista. So Windows 7 ಬರೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so what are the mistakes that they have done in the Vista that they have recovered over here in the Windows 7. So and created an operating system with speed, whereas in Windows 7 they created an operating system with speed, stability, and minimal system requirements. And Microsoft ditched the gadget bar from Vista, replacing it with a cleaner feel. This version was released in 2009 on July 22nd. Then operating system Windows 8 for laptops and desktops. So this the Windows 8, it has been, this operating system was introduced for the laptops and the desktops. So with its redesigned Metro style user interface and Windows Store, this version is once again redefining what Windows is. So here we see the multiple windows over here. And it also comes with the integrated antivirus protections. This Windows 8.